In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page from your navigation in Squarespace. If you've ever wanted a page to exist on your site without showing up in your main menu, maybe for a landing page, a seasonal promo, or a client-only resource, this is exactly what you need. We're going to keep it simple and use the built-in Pages panel and the Not Linked area to hide a page from your navigation while keeping it live and accessible by direct link. First, open your site and head to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Website. This takes you into the area where your site structure lives, including your navigation, pages, and folders. Think of it as the control center for what appears in your menus. Next, click on Pages. Here you'll see sections like Main Navigation at the top and a little farther down, a section called Not Linked. Main Navigation is what feeds your site's primary menu. Not Linked is a holding area for pages that you want to keep published but don't want listed in your navigation. Now find the page you want to hide in the main navigation list. Click and hold that page, then drag it down to the Not Linked section. As you hover over Not Linked, you'll see it highlight to show you're placing the page there. Release the mouse, and you're done. The page is now removed from your visible navigation. If your page was nested inside a folder, make sure you're dragging the specific page you want. Moving an entire folder will move everything inside it. Squarespace updates this instantly, so there's no separate publish step. Check your site's menu and you'll see the page no longer listed. This applies across desktop and mobile menus automatically. A quick note on what hidden means here. The page is still live. Anyone with a direct URL can access it, and any existing internal links will continue to work. Search engines may still find it too. If you need something truly private or excluded from search, that's a different setup and outside the scope of this walkthrough. But it's good to keep in mind as you plan. If you ever want the page back in your menu, simply drag it from Not Linked up into main navigation. A thin line will appear to show where it will land, so you can drop it exactly where you want in the order. And that's it. By using the Not Linked section, you keep your navigation clean while still keeping important pages available when and where you need them.